Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to the garage. Today I am going to be using CapCut for the first time to do some editing here. So this is going to be part 2 of putting together and restoring the long C Craftsman Vise here. So let me show you how this turned out. So check this out. I've already taken the tape off the jaw here. Now I am going to be using the paint pen here I've decided to do white for the letters. Now if you look here, there's some overspray, some paint that got underneath here. So I'm going to be taking the angle grinder here and do some quick wire wheeling that off. Then I got to take the paint, the tape off of here and some of the paint on the cheeks here on the bottom. And we'll clear that off. And here is the base. I did paint the bottom of the base here just kind of for protection. I'm not going to be taking that off because that will actually help protect against rust. We're going to be getting the red and tacky grease in here, and we're going to be getting this all put back together today. So let's see how this works with this editing. Alright, so also very important, PPE. Make sure you always are protecting yourself as we're going with this. And I'm actually curious to see how these videos stitch together. So I want your comments, tell me how this looks, and let's see where I cut this and see how things go. Remember, always use the proper PPE when you're working on things, especially with wire wheels, guys. You don't want them flying in your eye. You don't want any of the strands hitting anything. So it's important to make sure you are protected. Okay, so here we have the vise nut. All right, go. Now let's catch the thread of the nut. So just excited to see that thread. Once that is caught, let's just the line. Let's go into there. Excellent. We're going to purpose sometimes get that recently. And now we're up to one of the final steps. Oil and seal iron. Fiberglass. I love my fiberglass for so many things. Now, all of the exposed bare surfaces, we're going to get the little coat of oil and seal oil to help prevent rust, also help movement. The coat of the handle. Let's put this up. Really like the smells. Alright, this container has lasted me well over a year and a half, maybe even 2 years this way. So you don't need a lot, but it does really protect. And you know, depending on where you are with a pressure contact, things like make to do every 2 to 6 months, you know, go with it. Let's get some final details.